Here I'm using Bluetooth to control a servo motor. Here we have positions marked 0 through 9, and I will show you an example. So if we go over here and we type in 0 and send it, it will move it to the 0 position. Now we go to position 2. It will beep. As you can see, it's position 2. It'll flash and beep for the number that you're calling, or the position that you're calling. So here we can go 9. So it should beep and blink 9 times. As you can see, it's working. We'll just go through all the numbers. We already did 0. There's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Oh, and I forgot to mark that one. But as you can see, it's in between those two positions. Here's 7. 8. And finally 9. And that is my project. So it's just controlled by Bluetooth terminal over here. You can send your number. The app I was using only allowed me to use or send single digits, and it could not go over that. So that's why it prompted me to only have 9 set values that I can go to. But again, it takes a value from Bluetooth, processes it, and will put the servo motor to that position and then blink that many times as well as beep that many times to indicate what setting you're on.